Okay, so we're continuing on with our animation. So the next thing I want to enable is the attack animation. So what we're going to start is we're going to go to our VP hero and let's add an input action. So input action attack. There we go. And we're going to expand on it. Okay. So what we're going to need is a paper CD animation instance, and we're going to get it. So let's put paper, it appears here. So we want to get animation instance. There we go. From this one, we want to pull and we want to get a animation override with callbacks. So let's pull and let's say play animation override with callbacks. Why I like callbacks is because you can use uncompleted and uncancel, so it will be handy later on. So in here, what we're going to do is tell it right on the animation sequence, I want to play attack. So that's what we are overwriting it with. Okay. It's not going to play yet. It's just going to pull it. So let's see. So nothing's happening, as you can see, right? So there's a few reasons for that. And you can see it here. There's no slot. There's no default slot. And if we look at our hero here, it's saying slot name default slot. Okay. So let's go to our AVP hero. Let's go and pull from here, and we're going to search for overwrite, the overwrite slot. We'll go here, and we will connect it. So this is going to tell it that it can overwrite the animation before it gets there. We're going to keep it on default slot because it's the same name as here. Okay. So let's just build on that, and then let's just build on that. Save, and let's see if it plays it now. Yeah, you can see it's starting to play it. But when we move in, it's also playing it when you move in. So that's not good. You don't want it to do that. When you're playing, you want the character to stop and then carry on moving after that. Also, we need to know if the character is attacking. So let's start with that. If we open our main VP character, the parent, and we go into variables, and we're going to ask the question, is it attacking? So set is attacking. We're going to compile and save. And that's all we do with our parent. So then it's going to allow us to pull it off from here. Okay. So we're going to go to where our animation complete. So here, execute, and let's ask a question. Set is attacking. Okay. And we're going to click on yes. Okay. And then from here, we're going to copy and paste it. And we're going to turn it off because we're going to tell it when it's completed, it's no longer attacking. And when it's cancelled, it's no longer attacking. Okay. What happens when it's not attacking? So that's what we're going to find out. So we're going to say this time get is attacking. Okay. And we're going to pull a not boolean because it's a true or false. So we're saying it's not attacking, and then we need to compare it. So let's expand this a tiny bit and let's find a branch. So let's just right click and click on branch. So now what's going to happen is, okay, we're going to put the condition here. It's not attacking. We're going to go from this branch here, and we're going to go from true. So if it started, if it's true, it's going to say, right, play this animation and make sure it's attacking. If it's not attacking, then it's going to be false and it's going to go to nothing. Okay. If we go back to the game and play it, and attacking, it's attacking. However, you can still move, but then it's just playing animation now. So if we go, let me save this really quickly. Right, if we go to our VP hero again, we want to tell it to not attack when we are moving or jumping. So let's use that we already created. So I'm going to make it a bit nicer. So let me just cue it. There we go. Okay. I'm going to grab this and I'm going to copy it, Control C. And I'm going to go to movement. I'm going to expand my movement. It's going to move these ones. Okay, and I'm going to paste it. And it's the same. So There we go, move it a bit more. So we're gonna go when it's trigger, go to here, and through, go here. So now when we move in, if it's actually attacking, it will not move. And it's the same when we are jumping. So again, expanding a bit, move it here. Okay, connect it, connect from started, and then connect to jump. And it's fine. You can do the same when you're falling over here. So yeah, this just will make sure that you are not attacking where you're falling either. Okay. And let's save. Let's go save again. Okay, let's see. So if I'm moving, press attack, I cannot move. When I'm jumping, I can attack, but when I'm attacking, I cannot jump. And then if I'm falling, I cannot attack either. Okay, so that's working now. So now you got your movement, jump, and then you also have your attack enabled. So there we go.